How to hide desktop icons on Windows 11. Whether you want to clear your desktop for a clean look during a presentation or you simply prefer a clutter-free desktop, we have got you covered. So let's get started. To hide desktop icons, right-click anywhere on your desktop. Hover your cursor over View. You'll see an option labeled Show Desktop Icons. It's likely checked, indicating that your desktop icons are currently visible. To hide them, simply click on Show Desktop Icons to uncheck it. As soon as you uncheck it, your desktop icons will disappear. Don't worry, they haven't been deleted or moved. They are just hidden from view. To reveal your desktop icons again, follow the same steps. Right-click on the desktop, go to View, then select Show Desktop Icons. Your icons will reappear. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to hide desktop icons on Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our 5-minute solution channel for more videos.